everyone, we're going to read Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff-snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yams. Perhaps we can share? I brought honey nuts, said Badger with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in from the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in a woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping, I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. but his friends snore on. And that is the story of Bear Snores On. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, I'm trying to be quiet because we just read Bear Snores On and we don't want to wake him up. So I got a picture. I figure we can draw and we can color, and that way it's kind of quiet, we won't wake him up. So I got my crayons. I got a black crayon and a brown crayon. So let's color. I hope we don't wake him up. I'm trying to be quiet. It is kind of quiet. We can do this, can't we? So I'm going to make him brown. My bear is brown because I like brown bears. Other colored bears are fine too. You can have a purple bear if you want to. That's fine. Okay, I got his arm. And he's sleeping too. This is our sleeping bear. I'm just getting excited because this is really cool. We get to have a bear and we can color him and he'll keep on snoring and he won't wake up, and just like in the story. Oh no, what was that? Gotta quiet down again. What was that? Oh, okay. We're almost done with his other arm. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think somebody's coming. Hey. Are you coloring a picture of me while I'm trying to sleep? While I'm snoring on? Well, yes we are. We're trying to be quiet. Well, you woke me up because you were so happy. So, I'm gonna color too. Can I have a piece of paper? Yes, of course you can. I'll go get you one. Okay, that sounds good, because now I'm awake. Alright, let's go put you back. Whew. He wasn't as mad as the bear and the Bear Snores On. I think he's going to be okay. We're going to keep coloring, and I'm going to go get him a piece of paper and see if he can draw something, okay? So, you draw me a bear, send me a picture, tell me how you like the story. Maybe take out your stuffed bears and have some fun with them too, okay? Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.